Hi guys, Brendan Lay here again from Naked Edge Real Estate. Welcome to the August 2023 market update for the Perth metropolitan area. Guys, things are really booming along still, even with the rate rises, and now hopefully rates are going to stay on hold. We still may see another 0.25% rise before the end of the year, possibly 2, but I'm not sure about that now. If inflation continues to drop, then I think we may have seen out the worst of it. So looking forward, things are going well. With that said, all the interest rate movements haven't slowed the Perth market, and even over east now the market's started to move because there's a drastic housing shortage right across Australia. Now, with over 300,000 people coming from overseas, that's only going to make the situation worse, especially on the rental side of things. I have seen some reports that people coming from overseas are buying houses, or that's their plan. Guys, I've never seen anybody jump off an aeroplane, walk in and go, I came here yesterday and I'm buying a house today. Generally, it's a 2-year process before people actually buy. They'll go and rent somewhere, see if they like the area, and then if they do, they will then buy a house. So those buyers coming in are basically going to be going into the rental market, which for investors is going to keep the rental market very tight, which means your returns on your investment properties are going to continue to rise. So if you do have a rental property, my advice is hang on to them now. Do not sell them, which we said to people a couple of years ago that things were going to turn around. Those that have hung in there are now being rewarded. The vacancy rate is still sitting at about 0.07% across the Perth metropolitan area. The number of homes in Perth still hasn't risen. We're still sitting at around 2,357 homes as we go to air at the moment. It is astounding me how much activity is out there and the prices we're getting across every single suburb in Perth. As always, if there's anything that we can do for you or your family, feel free to give us a call, drop us an email or click on the button down below and we'll get back to you straight away. Guys, the market in Mount Nasura is really humming along like it is across Perth. There's very few homes on the market and the time they're staying on is very short. So if you have a lovely home and you're thinking about selling, now is a great time to do it. Now for the numbers. Over the last 6 months, there's been 28 sales in Mount Nasura. Currently sitting on the market today, there's 8 properties. Average time on market is only 24 days. Highest price paid has been $900,000 and the lowest price has been $320,000. That gives us a median price of $552,500 for Mount Nasura. If there's anything we can do for you or your family in the real estate space for Mount Nasura, by all means give us a call anytime.